Hello there, my name is Sai, and I wanted to do a quick review for you of these SinuCleanse pre-mixed saline packets for nasal wash systems. I really like these a lot. I think that they're a great value, and if you have some system like a neti pot or a NeilMed type bottle that you use at home for doing sinus rinses, then these packets are great for replacement packets. There's 100 in this box, and you can use them with bottles that look like these. And these nasal rinse packets are specifically a mix of 700 milligrams sodium bicarbonate and 2300 milligrams sodium chloride at USP grade. But in case you're not totally familiar with what you would want to use these nasal rinse packets for, let's go ahead and just read off the uses of this box to kind of see what it's good for. So you can see there are no other ingredients except for what you see here on the front of the SinuCleanse packet. And if we zoom in here on the SinuCleanse box to the uses up here, you can see that these sinus rinses remove inhaled irritants like dust and pollen. They promote nasal and sinus drainage, and they moisturize dry nasal passages, just to name a few things. So in a general sort of way, saline rinses promote nasal health. Here's a quote directly from SinuCleanse. It moisturizes dry nasal passages and aids in removing mucus and irritants, keeping nasal passages clear and allowing you to breathe easier. But in case you're wondering how to use these saline packets for your nasal rinse, you need a nasal rinse bottle. That could be something like this or a neti pot, and you're going to put 8 ounces into the bottle. So on this bottle there's a fill line right up at the top. You'd fill it up 8 ounces of either distilled water, filtered water, or boiled tap water that's been cooled down to room temperature. And once you've got your water, add 1 packet of sinus rinse into the bottle, close it up and shake it and open it up in this case, and then over the sink or in the shower just gently squeeze until it comes out the nasal, and do about half of the water in one side and then repeat with about half of the water going through the other side. So using 1 packet is considered an isotonic solution with this 8 ounces of water, meaning that it's about the same solution of saline as it is in your body, and that feels pretty normal. It's going to help in the ways that we talked about. But if you wanted to have a hypertonic solution, which is more saline solution than that is in your body, you could use 2 packets, and I wouldn't go more than that, but that is going to maybe burn a little bit, whereas 1 packet won't burn at all, but it's going to remove a lot more mucus. So maybe that could be a once in a while thing or for special conditions. But the bottom line is that 1 packet is generally enough, and that's what I use most of the time. All things considered, I think that using a saline nasal rinse is a good experience, and if you haven't tried it before, it's probably something that you're going to appreciate, especially the way that it softens the inside of your nose. And I really like the value of these SinuCleanse saline packets. I do think that they're a really good deal, so I hope you liked my review of the SinuCleanse saline packets for nasal wash systems. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video, and I will look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you so much for watching.
Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't